If I want to make any changes in my inspection plan, QP02, and then we edit the plan. Material and the plant is 1000, enter. So I have multiple plans for the same material under the group 5. Few of them I have marked it as deleted. So if I want to remove the deletion mark from the plan, then we select this and go to the header level, and I will remove the deletion mark from here. That is possible, but one by one I will be doing these changes. We have another transaction which can be used, CWBQM. Enter. It's an engineering workbench for QM, which allow me to make the changes at the mass level. You can select the working area. Click on this. It will give you the option. You can see here the header is selected. In this, operation is selected. So I want to make the changes in the header level. I will be selecting this. Double click on it. For the routing or for the inspection plan, header level data or the operational level data. And click on continue. Header level tab at present, and I can enter the material 1070. Okay, and the plant is 1000. If I execute it, we have multiple plans for it. The deletion mark is added in this, and I'm removing the deletion mark from here. I want to remove this deletion mark from all. Here I can make it easily. The work list is saved. Let me go back, and if we again check our plan, okay, /in QP02, enter, material and the plant was 1000. Press enter key. Now you can see the deletion mark has been removed, and I was able to make the changes in all the plans for the material. CWBQM is an engineering workbench which allow me to make the changes at the mass level in the inspection plan. So if I take any materials 308 and the plant is 1000, click on execute. If I go to task list, and in the inspection characteristics, 2 MICs are there. Sampling procedure is used, say this one. Okay, let me open the same plan in display mode. QP03, enter. Material is 308 and the plant is 1000. Enter. Characteristics, we have 2 MIC with the sampling procedure. Suppose if there are n number of MICs and I want to make the changes and replace the existing sampling procedure with some other sampling procedure. Okay, so suppose they are at present using fixed sampling procedure. Instead of that, they want to use a sampling scheme, something like that. Then we can first select any row or this, and then right click on it. You can click on select all. Okay, so both the rows are selected, and if there are n number of rows, all will be selected. Okay, then we need to select the column which you want to edit. So I'm selecting the sampling procedure column. After selecting this, go to extras and select mass changes. This pop-up is coming for the sampling procedure. It's asking me to enter the new value which you want to replace. At present, there is this sampling procedure, and I am replacing it with some other. Let's search it. Select, say, fix 2. Okay, and then you can click on check entries. Okay, and then if I click on execute, so it's giving me the information that 2 MICs has been changed. Continue. Now the sampling procedure has been replaced. Okay, if I save it, then the data has been saved. And again, if we go to the change mode of the same plan, QP03, enter, and this is the material and the plant. enter the inspection characteristics. The sampling procedure has been changed. CWBQM, enter. If I select this and enter, here we also have the option, other tabs are there like the operation filters. We can apply the PRTs, production resource tool, or the MIC. And if I am selecting, say, this 1070 and the plant is 1000, taskless and all is also there. Like if I'm entering CQ and then click on executes, these are the different group counters which are created. The header level information it is showing me. And if I want to make the changes like the lot size, I want to make it say 1 in all. You have the option to copy paste easily. Suppose if I select C Control Y and I'm just selecting these two, okay, copy and then just paste it. Okay, so easy way is that here we can make the changes easily. Let me remove this extra entry. So I have edited the lot size from 0 to 1 for this material. Let me show you the header level. Same plan slashing QP03. Enter the material is 1070. Plant is 1000. And if I select this and header level data, so the lot size at present is 0. Okay, and I'm making it 1 in this task list. If you want to add the MICs, then you can add the MICs here. Okay, or if you want to see the detail of any MICs, then you can just double click on it. It will open the MIC details also. Even the control indicators can be seen. Okay, what data is maintained here in this, and this is a toggled one. If you click on it, then it will be in editable mode and you can make the changes in the control indicators also. Okay, so if I save it, let's open this plan again. /n QP03, enter. And if I select this, enter, and I have done the changes in the lot size. Okay, so now it is this. So similarly, header level data, you can also assign the dynamic modification rule and the level to be used for it in the engineering workbench, because here you also get the header level data. If we switch, if I select say quality management, dynamic modification level to be used, and here we can enter the dynamic modification rule to be used. Let me show you the inspection plan detail in the change mode. This is my material in the plan. There is a multiple specification option is there, which is disabled, and we cannot make the changes for this feature in the inspection plan. In the material assignment also, we get the option of object and object types to be used for the multiple specification. Again, these are disabled and we cannot make the changes for such things here in the inspection plan. We need to use engineering workbench only if you want to make the changes. For the MIC T1, which is a measurable MIC, I want to assign the dependent characteristic specification based on country. So let's see, saving it. Now we will go to /n CWBQM, the current working area. And I want to make the changes in the inspection plan. So I will be selecting that, click on continue. Enter the filter for my plant and the materials. Click on execute. Getting one record with operation is maintained for it, and even the material assignment is indicated. If I select the row and go to the quality management tab, then in the extreme right, you will find that same option of multiple specification, which I can enable if I want to use this feature here. We go to the task list and in the material list assignment, click this pencil icon is there, change and lock. It's a toggled one. So let me enter the material and two additional entries I am entering for that same material. Even the object and the object type I am assigning. One is the objects which I have maintained in the configuration, like India and the USA, for object type 01. In the material assignment, I have assigned 3 different entries. One, no object or the object type is specified in this. The remaining 2 entries, I have specified the object to be used. Okay, object type automatically came. Let's save it. So task list. If you want, you can of course check the details. Like if I click on operation, it will show me the data. Control key I have maintained as QM01. The description was maintained in this. Showing me inspection characteristics are assigned. If I click on this, it will show characteristics assigned, color and T1, the decimal places and the upper and lower limit. And this is the selected set which is used for the qualitative MICs. So from menu, we can switch to header level information or the operational level. If the PRT is assigned, then you can check that details also. Okay, so now let's go to the dependent characteristic specification. Click on this icon, which is an inspection characteristics. Okay, so you can search it. And suppose I want to use it for the quantitative MICs. Okay, so I'm selecting T1 here, press enter key. Now you can see the multiple rows are coming, and here again I can assign my material like object and the object type. For the first one, I'm selecting India, and here the object type is 01. Okay, press enter key and let me enter the second entry. Press enter key. So we have added 2 entries. We'll go to quantitative data and the MIC is D1. We have specified in the MIC the lower specification as 5 and the upper specification as 10. Let me make it say for USA, I'm keeping it say 6 to 9 I'm keeping. Okay, press enter key and I'm not changing it for India. I click on save /NGP02 enter. My material is this and the plant is 1000. Enter. Header level again. Multiple specification is checked. If we go to the material assignment, there are 3 entries maintained again. Different objects. One is India and USA with the object type 01 for the country. Okay. And if we go to the operation, in the inspection characteristics, dependent characteristics is editable. For T1, it is showing me this. If I want to change it, click on this, then editing the inspection plan using the engineering workbench. So this is the data which we have maintained. If I want to change it, it's not allowed to change. Okay. From here, even these add and delete options are disabled here. It's taken me to the display mode even if the inspection plan is in the change mode. Let's save it. CWBQM, enter. working area, which is again the inspection plan header level data I'm selecting, and my material is this and the plant is 1000. Click on execute. Then these are the different group counters which are created. If I want to add new MIC, select all, task list. If I select, say, inspection characteristics, this is the group and the sequence operation is there. In first group, group counter, there are two MICs. Insert row, select this. Okay, I need to tell the operation. So select this and selecting save one and then press enter key. So these two MICs are already present and I can add new one. Either you can search it or you can just paste the MIC name which you want to add. And if I enter, say, color, okay, and press enter key, then it will ask you for the sampling procedure. Again, we can select the sampling procedure from the list, enter. New MIC with the name color has been added under the group counter 1. Let's save it. Display mode of the plans, UP03, enter. Material is this and the plant is 1000, enter. In the group counter 1, I have added new MIC. So we will go to the operation and in the inspection characteristics, now 3 MICs are there. Okay, and this is the sampling procedure which we have assigned in CWBQM. Enter. And I'm selecting the working area again as a inspection plan header level. Continue. Enter the material and the plant. Click on execute. Fourth counter. Again, you will go to the task list and in the inspection characteristics, I can add again the color MIC. I can select, say, the same sampling procedure. Press enter key. And if I want to add the defect catalogs also, suppose in this case, go to the catalogs. These are the catalog which are assigned. And in the control indicator for this MIC, these are the control indicators which are selected. If I select this and click on edit, now it is in editable mode because it is toggled one. Defect recording. So if I select this, catalogs, I can assign the defect catalogs also. So the appropriate defect catalogs need to be created and then we can assign it here. Let's go back. So I have added the defect also here. Let me save it. I have done the changes in group counter 4. We will go to our plan, which is QP02, enter, and the material is this, plant is 1000. Press enter key, and in the group counter 4, I have assigned in the inspection characteristics for the color which I have added. You see the data which is maintained in the catalogs. These are the selected, set selected, and this is the code which we have assigned if it is rejected. So such things we can do